guys, it's Nicole Dion. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this luxurious smoky eye. If you're over 40, stay tuned. I'm over 40 as well, and this tutorial is for us gals that are 40 plus. And yes, we still got it, girls. You can still wear your smoky eyes and do up your makeup, feel fabulous, feel sexy, and I'm going to show you how. Let's get started. A few tools we're going to need are, of course, brushes. We're going to use a pencil liner brush. I love this brush. It's from MAC. I've had it forever and a day. It's one of the best brushes I've ever owned. We're also going to use a blending brush, an angled eyeliner brush, a concealer brush, another blending brush, and a fluff brush. You'll also need eye primer. And you're also gonna need a palette, and we're going to do a very traditional smoky eye using smoky colors. Take out your primer. I always put a little bit on the back of my hand. You're gonna grab that concealer brush, and we're gonna tap that on all over both eyes up to the brow bone. If you want to learn how to put on false magnetic lashes, I do have a video for that. I usually have my eyelashes on before I ever do my eye makeup now, so you're not gonna see me really use a lot of mascara in my tutorials. If you wanna learn how to get fabulous lashes like these, go to my Ardell tutorial, and these are totally magnetic. I love them. And I put them on pretty much every day, and look at my lashes. And they're only $13 over at the CVS. Not bad at all. Once you have your primer on, let it set. You don't wanna rush and put your eye makeup on while it's still wet. So let it set, calm down, chill out, chillax. We're gonna take palette number 2. Look how gorgeous. Absolutely love these colors. Grab your fluff brush. Grab your fluff brush. I'm in a silly mood today. All right, we're going smoky, okay? So we're gonna actually use these darker colors on the end here. We're gonna start with Perplex. Load up your brush, tap that off, and we're gonna pat all over into the crease. Isn't that gorgeous? Next, we're gonna take the MAC blending brush. We're gonna use this darker color here, and we're gonna go right into the crease. And we're gonna pull out that backwards check mark motion. We're gonna go down and back and forth, down and back and forth. And you wanna make sure nothing goes below that line. Look at that smoky eye. Next, we're gonna take the blending brush. There's nothing on this brush. I'm going to take it and blend up a little bit higher. Okay, now I'm going to use Honorable. It's kind of a gray color. I'm gonna go right there, a little bit above the crease. See how that just smokes it out. Clean off your fluff brush, and now we're gonna bling out underneath our eyebrows. I'm gonna use the color Blissful. It's gorgeous. I love this color. Actually, as a lid color, it's so pretty. And we're just gonna bling it out, adding some highlight. I'm gonna take my fluff brush and make sure everything looks blended. Next, you're gonna take that pencil liner brush. You're gonna dip it in the darker color here. And we're gonna go underneath. And you do wanna connect okay, does that make sense? You want to connect your color here to your under eye. Next, I'm going to take that lighter color and I'm going to go on top of that. And one more. We're gonna take that lighter gray and we're gonna go on top of that. Looking fabulous, darling. All right, let's speed that up. So it's really important to keep in mind you don't want anything outside this line here, because otherwise it will make the eyes look droopy instead of really big and sassy. Also, if your eyebrows are light, you're gonna wanna fill those in. You don't wanna leave a smoky eye without your brows done or your eyelashes done. So if you haven't already done your mascara like I have, then go ahead and do your mascara at this point and put on your eyebrows. You guys, I hope you took a thing or two from this smoky eye tutorial. Give it a try. You might have to get a little bit brave to do this, but look how gorgeous it looks. If you're not used to wearing a lot of makeup, it can be a little bit intimidating to have your eyes on. If you're gonna wear a smoky eye, especially out for an evening event, just remember the lighting is so much dimmer that it does take a little bit more makeup to make your eyes pop. So I'm gonna turn down my light here so you can kind of see. Like if we're at a evening event, I know there's lights behind me, but it's not as like bam, right? As when we're like full on light. So keep that in mind, but you might have to wear it around on a Saturday morning while you're cleaning the house so you can get used to what you look like with the smoky eye. I would say that was one of the biggest things that I learned working at the MAC counter, is when a woman wants to try something new that she's not used to doing, it's kind of hard because you feel like you have too much makeup on, or you don't feel comfortable wearing it. So my advice was always wear this out, look in every mirror that you possibly can so you can get used to seeing yourself with makeup. It's a lot of fun to wear a smoky eye. It definitely adds a little bit of sex appeal, and you can be sexy over 40. It just makes your eyes pop. All right, you guys, I will see you next time. Remember to like this video and subscribe.